basic integration formulas. Integration for 1 integration of 1 into dx will be equal to இங்க 1 இருந்தாலும் dx இருக்கு. So integration of dx will be x. So x plus constant term. இது வந்து answer. Next, constant multiple rule for integrals. Integral of k into f of x dx. K ங்கிறது constant term, f of x ங்கிறது function. So constant term வந்து integral termக்கு இந்த சைடு எழுதுவோம். So k into integral of f of x function வந்து integrate பண்ணுவோம் into f of x into dx. Some difference of integrals. Integral of u plus v minus w into dx will be equal to integral of u into dx plus integral of v into dx minus integral of w into dx. Power rule. Integral of x to the power n into dx will be equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. இது வந்து differentiationக்கு just opposite வரும். அங்க வந்து d divided by dx x to the power n ன்னு வரும்போது we get n into x to the power n minus 1 ன்னு போடுவோம். இது வந்து differentiationக்கு but integrationக்கு just உல்டா x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant where n not equal to minus 1. Minus 1 வரும்போது minus 1 plus 1 will get 0. Integral for natural log. Integral of 1 by dx divided by x னு சொல்லலாம் இல்ல 1 by x into dx னு சொல்லலாம் will be equal to integral of 1 by x we know that x inverse னு எழுதுவோம் x inverse into dx will be equal to integral of 1 by x into dx will be equal to 1 by x log x plus constant. Integration of non-exponential function. Integral of a to the power x into dx will be equal to a to the power x divided by log a plus c. Constant term தான் plus c mention பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Integration of exponential function. Non-exponential ஒன்று exponential வந்து e வச்சு வரும். Integral of e to the power x into dx will be as it is e to the power x plus constant. Integration of trigonometric function. Integral of sin x into dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integral of cos x into dx will be equal to sin x plus c. Integral of tan x into dx will be equal to log mod secant x plus c. Integral of secant square x into dx is equal to tan x plus constant. Integral of secant x into dx will be equal to log of secant x plus tan x plus constant term. Integral of secant x tan x into dx will be equal to secant x plus c. Integral of cot x dx is equal to log of mod sin x plus constant. Integral of cosec square x into dx is equal to minus cot x plus constant. Integral of cosec x into cot x into dx will be equal to minus cosec x plus constant. Next, integration leading to inverse trigonometry will be equal to integral of 1 divided by root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. Integral of minus 1 divided by root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to cos inverse of x by a plus c. Integral of 1 divided by a square plus x square into dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Integral of 1 divided by x into root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to 1 by a secant inverse x by a plus constant. Integral leading to logarithm. Integral of 1 divided by x square minus a square into dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus constant. Integral of 1 divided by a square minus x square into dx will be equal to 1 by 2a log of mod a minus x divided by a plus x plus constant term. Integral 1 divided by root of x square plus a square into dx is equal to log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus constant. Root of 1 divided by integral 1 divided by root of x square minus a square into dx is equal to log mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus constant. Integral f dash of x divided by f of x into dx is equal to log f of x. Integral of f dash of x divided by root of f of x into dx will be equal to n into root of f of x. Differentiation and integration related maximum formulas cover பண்ணிட்டேன். உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் என்னோட சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் என்னோட செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் தமிழுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.